Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can connect Phantom Wallet to BullX. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. Yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to do over here is simply going to go to your Phantom Wallet and you're going to unlock it. Then you're going to go back from over here and you will be in this kind of interface. Now what you're going to do is you're going to simply go ahead first, tap and receive, and simply copy an address for your particular wallet. Let's say Solana wallet, you have done it. Now you're going to go back and open up your BullX, and from the available option you're going to tap on this option of wallet manager. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the add new wallet section in new withdrawal wallet and tap on add new. Now you will choose Solana over here because you have copied the Solana address from Phantom, and add in the wallet name where you will write in Phantom, and you're gonna paste the address we just copied. Tap on add wallet and your wallet will be added. That's how we do it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.